Yo guys, Miss Ree here, and today it's a review about the speaker called Protronix POR118. Yeah, it's named horribly, but the speaker is one of the best sounding speaker which I've ever had in my entire life. So without any ado or kind of stuff like that, let's get into the review. The reason why I said this is one of the best sounding speaker I've ever heard in my entire life is because it's just awesome. The sound test is coming at the end, so wait on for that. It's just small and it doesn't have too much. And what's too important is it charges via micro USB and has a battery life about 4 to 5 or 6 hours if you're good. So telling about connectivity, you don't have to worry. It's got a micro USB port, an SD card, aux, and a DC HP toggle, and an on-off toggle. So it's got some inline controls, plus you're gonna get mods, which includes FM mod, aux mod, Bluetooth mod, and yes, that's all the mods you get. And yes, this is by far one of the best Bluetooth sounding speaker which I ever had. It's cost about $40, about 2,600 Indian rupees, and it's from a company called Protronix. Definitely peep into this, guys. This is one of the best soundbar. And now into that real day test. Thank you guys for watching. Miss Ree here. By far this is one of the best sounding speaker which I ever heard Bluetooth in my entire life. So yes, hope you got an idea of how this works. It's Miss Ree. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So guys, peace. Probably subscribe, yeah.